So my favorite Desmos feature is the self-checking feature that you can code into the platform. So as you can see on my screen, I have a Desmos that I have been working on for my students on exponential patterns, growth, and decay. So I have a question or a statement on my screen. I am going to go ahead and add a note box to the screen off to the side because I want the question or the statement to be to the left. In this box, I am going to title it question. I am also going to add a box titled math response, and I'm going to just title this input. So in order to do the self-checking feature, I need to go to this box, the computation layer script. And in this box, I am going to format the code in order for it to display a question, um, and I'm going to code it where I can put a specific answer and let the students know if they're right or wrong. So first, I'm going to start off by adding a question. So to do this, I need to write a question code. The question that I want to ask students would be how much remains after 5 hours? From there, I would need to tell Desmos to what the correct answer is. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing answer. My answer is a numeric value, so I'm going to put in that code. Then I'm going to say 45 is my answer. So then the next part of this is that I need to provide some sort of feedback that tells the system that when students get this answer correct, they need to see this, but if they get it incorrect, they need to see something else. So I'm going to type feedback equals, so when input, and so I named my box input. So when input is submitted and input numeric value, so if they input a numeric value equals the answer, they will need to see the word correct with an exclamation point. Then from there, I'm going to add a box that says when input got submitted, they need to say, so this will be in case the answer is incorrect. They type anything other than 45, they will get a try again. And then this right here just helps me format that if otherwise, this kind of supports the if it is incorrect to write that try again. So the last part of my code, I'm going to include a content. This content is just basically saying what I'm doing. So I'm giving the students a question and I'm providing them feedback. So I'm going to have content. I am going to put this code question and my question with my brackets. And I can click some of the functions are already written. And so now I have my code. I don't have any explanation parts, so any error right here. So that means my code is good to go. So let's try it out. So I will hit done. I will hit preview. Now you see that the question is written, how much remains after 5 hours? So if I say 45, students will see the word correct pop up. If I say 46, the students will see try again. Now, if I want to make it a little fun for the students, and instead of just correct, I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to right click and I am going to click emoji. And I'm going to say, oh, smiley face emoji. So I'm going to copy this emoji and I'm going to paste it right here. And now students will see a smiley face incorrect. And then I'm going to go back up here, do emoji. I'm going to see an X. And so now for try again, I'm going to put an X. So I'm going to hit done again, preview, and let's see. For 45, they have a correct smiley face. And for 46, which is incorrect, they get a try again. This feature is really good for when you have small groups or students are working independently and you are working with other students. It allows them to see if their answers are incorrect or correct and allows them to kind of self-correct themselves if you're not there to assist. This is a feature I use a lot in my classroom, and my students tend to enjoy it.